बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students, as you know that we are studying subtracting decimals, and this time we have to start subtracting hundreds. This topic is on page number 60. Question number 1, complete these subtractions. I'm going to solve question number 1 A part. Page number is 60. First is 77.86 minus 34.84. 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 8, 0, decimal as it is. 7 minus 4 is 3 and 7 minus 3 is 4. B part is 90.52 minus 43.29 . Two is smaller, 9 is greater, so we take carry from this 5. 12 minus 9, this is 3, and 4 minus 2, this is 2. Decimal as it is. Once again, 0 is smaller and 3 is larger, so we take carry from 9. 10 minus 3, 7, and 8 minus 4, this is 4. C part is 65.19 minus 27.43 . 9 minus 3, this is 6. 1 is smaller, 4 is greater. We will take carry from this 5, it becomes 4. 11 minus 4, 7, decimal as it is. Once again carry. 14 minus 7 is 7, and 5 minus 2, this is 3. B part is 58.03 minus 16.25 . Three is smaller, next to 3 is 0. We can take carry, and next to 0 is 8. We will take carry from this 8. This becomes 7 and this becomes 10. Now we will take carry from this 10. This is 9 and this is 13. 13 minus 5, this is 8. 9 minus 2, this is 7. Decimal as it is. 7 minus 6, this is 1. And 5 minus 1, this is 4. E part is 41.49 35.66 . 9 minus 6, this is 3. 14 minus 6, this is 8. Then 10 minus 5, this is 5, and 3 minus 3, this is 0. And the last part of question number 1 is 82.37 minus 62.28 17 minus 8, this is 9, 2 minus 2, this is 0, decimal as it is, 2 minus 2, 0, and 8 minus 6 is 2. Question 1 is completed. Now we have to start question number 2. Answer the subtraction, line up the decimal points. A part of question number 2 is 34.25 minus 19.07. 34.25 minus 19.07. 15 minus 7, this is 8. 1 minus 0 is 1. 14 minus 9, this is 5. And 2 minus 1, this is 1. B part is 96.91 minus 31.44. 96.91 minus 31.44. 11 minus 4, this is 7. 8 minus 4, this is 4. 6 minus 1, this is 5. And 9 minus 3, this is 6. C part is 73.48 minus 56.66. 8 minus 6, this is 2. 4 is smaller, 6 is larger, so we'll take carry. 14 minus 6, this is 8, point as it is. Once again, decimal carry. 12 minus 6, this is 6, and 6 minus 5, this is 1. D part is 50.73 minus 22.79. 50.73 minus 22.79. 13 minus 9, this is 4. 16 minus 7, this is 9. 9 minus 2, 7. And 4 minus 2 is 2. 27.94 is the answer of D part, question number 2, page number 16. E part is 82.04 minus 41.85. 82.04 minus 41.85. 14 minus 5, this is 9. 9 minus 8, this is 1. Decimal as it is 1 minus 1, this is 0. And 8 minus 4, this is 4. The last part of question number 2, page number 16 is 67.12 minus 38.93. 67.12, 38.93 minus 12 minus 3, this is 9. 10 minus 9, this is 1, decimal as it is. 16 minus 8 is 8, and 5 minus 3 is 2. 28.19 is the answer of last part, question 2, page 16. Now we have to start page number 61, question number 3. The pairs of different things and with their prices is given in this page. We have to find out the difference in each price of each item. First one is slipper pair. First price is rupees 48.99 and second price is 39.50. We have to find out the difference between price of both slippers. A1 is slipper pair. Rupees 48.99, then rupees 39.50. We have to subtract 9 minus 0, this is 9. 9 minus 5, this is 4, decimal as it is. 18 minus 9, this is 9. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the difference between two slipper pairs is rupees 9.49. Next one is wallet pair. Price of first wallet is 73.62. Second price of wallet is 71.38. Twelve minus 8, this is 4. 5 minus 3, this is 2. Decimal as it is 3 minus 1, this is 2. 7 minus 7, 0. Rupees 2.24 is the difference between two wallets price. C part is belt pair. Price of first belt is rupees 60.45. Next is rupees 44.80. Five minus 0. This is 5. 14 minus 8. This is 6. Decimal as it is. 9 minus 4, 5. And 5 minus 4 is 1. 15.65 is the difference between two belts. D part is glasses pair. Price of first glasses is 57.16. And price of second glasses is 32.76. Six minus 6. This is 0. 11 minus 7, 4. Decimal as it is. 6 minus 2, 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. 24.40 is the difference between two pairs of glasses. E part is hat pair. Price of first hat is 95.34. Price of second hat is 56.37. Fourteen minus 7 is 7. 12 minus 3 is 9. Decimal as it is. 14 minus 6, 8. And 8 minus 5 is 3. Last part of this question is hat necklace pair. Price of first necklace is 81.25. And the price of second necklace is 60.49. Fifteen minus 9 is 6. 11 minus 4 is 7. 10 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. 20.76 is the answer of F part, question number 3, page number 61. Also note down your diaries. You have to solve question number 1 on page 60 on your book, question number 2 on page 60, and question number 3 on page 61. You have to solve on your neat copies. Now please raise your hands one by one if you have any query in today's lecture.